Trump will pump your crypto bags, and nobody is talking about this latest development. It's not JD Vance being a secret Bitcoiner. It's not Elon Musk hiring for the Doge department, and it's not even Trump's sons launching their own DeFi token. The biggest news for your crypto bags out of the Trump administration is this latest development where they might end capital gains taxes for American crypto tokens. But what are these American crypto tokens, and what are going to be the major movers in this cycle? Well, first, let's look at the details here. Here's Trump right there, and he's reportedly planning to scrap all capital gains taxes on cryptocurrencies, and this is the important part, issued by U.S. companies. Now, we're going to have two major projects and then a third sleeper pick at the end of this video. Now, according to sources close to the matter, eliminating the capital gains tax would make all profits Americans earn on holding crypto assets such as Cardano, Algorand, Ripple, or Hedera fully tax-free, as these assets are created by U.S. companies. I know the H-Barbarians are happy about this one. Now, this is from a source who is a member of the transition team, and it looks like they're going to require companies to be registered as entities in the US before issuing their crypto assets. However, if you did launch tokens outside the US, there will be a pathway for businesses with existing crypto assets on the markets to relocate to the US. Now, folks, this will significantly transform the crypto industry, and I say the entire finance industry, as investors are likely going to flock to the space to trade crypto without facing taxes on their profits. I expect BlackRock to buy more crypto, and I expect the Wall Street executives to signal to their investors this is a tax-free haven, so you might want to move out of the stock market, move out of precious metals, and then move into Bitcoin. But it's definitely going to be the U.S. companies that are going to have the most upside. Now, let's go over the first one. The first one is in the top part of the article, Cardano. Cardano is going to be a major winner, largely because Charles Hoskinson, the co-founder of Ethereum and founder of Cardano, is going to have a large role in the Trump presidency. Now, looking at Cardano over the last 30 days here, you can see we have had a little bit of a pullback after this significant pump. We started here right around 32 cents, peaking out at pretty close to a 2x, right under 64 cents. And from 64 cents, we have now dipped down to 55 cents. So you're seeing a little bit of a pullback, so this could be a good entry. Now, we've done Cardano price prediction videos. I recommend you go check those out. Now, the second coin not a lot of people know is an American coin, and it's largely in part because the foreign nature of the founder. Now, Solana's token price hasn't hit the previous all-time high, but when we're going by market cap, Solana has never been more valuable. In fact, we just recently crossed over $100 billion market cap. But is Solana an American coin? Now, Anatoly Yakovenko, computer engineer, entrepreneur, he is the one who founded the Solana blockchain. Now, he was born in Ukraine, but he's lived in the States for over a decade, and here he is with the Solana team. And Solana, not a lot of people know, Solana was named after a popular Solana beach in California. And currently, Anatoly lives in the San Francisco Bay Area. But it's not just the founder moving to America and launching the company in America that has me bullish. The investors are US based as well. Here you can see in June 21, Solana Labs sold $300 million worth of its native token SOL to a group of funds led by Andreessen Horowitz, which is based out of Silicon Valley in California, and Polychain Capital, which is based out of San Francisco in California. So not only do we have an American company, we have tons and tons of US investors who are definitely going to want to get these gains tax-free. Now, let's roll over to the last token, and it's a microcap gem. This is the riskiest play with by far the smallest market cap. We're talking about multiple billions. Solana's case, over $100 billion. Well, this one's about $100 million. That is right. This token is worth 1/1000th of Solana's market cap here. So there's a lot of upside for Constellation, also known as DAG. Now, DAG, very American coin, so much so they label themselves as America's blockchain. I think this is going to be a huge runner this cycle if we do eliminate crypto gains tax for US companies. They are based out of San Francisco as well. Now, Constellation has a unique strategy, and the owner breaks it down real well, but I want to click on their website and click the federal button right here. When you go to federal, you can see they're trying to be the standard for government. They're advancing its mission to cryptographically secure the world's data by applying its blockchain protocol to the military's digital infrastructure. Now, they have tons and tons of key government partners, including the U.S. Air Force. U.S. Air Force also sent them a letter of support, and the owner breaks it down very well. America's trusted blockchain protecting national security with Constellation. Now, like I said, they call themselves America's trusted blockchain, and at last week's summit by the Government Blockchain Association, representatives from National Science Foundation, U.S. Treasury, and the Space Force discussed the critical role of Constellation's ledger technology in national security. Now, this is a very ingrained and entwined governmental blockchain. Now, if there is a huge run-up for America-based blockchains, I think DAG is going to be one of the best performers with the lower market cap. Now, there's going to be a little bit of risk involved with this token. If Bitcoin falls off a cliff over the next week or two, I expect this altcoin to maybe take a little bit bigger hit than Cardano or Solana, but I also expect the upside to be much larger than Cardano's and Solana, so tread accordingly. And folks, I want to show you how bullish I was on this one. Now, I love Cardano, but sometimes you got to take a little bit of profit. So I'm going to move 1,000 ADA into DAG and go ahead and get this trade going on Uphold. So folks, I am bullish on these projects. I do think Trump is going to have a huge resurgence for a lot of altcoins, and I think these three are going to be major winners. And I'll see you and your America bag at the top. America.